American 3023, wind, calm, runway 34 left, clear for takeoff.
American 3023. 23 is boarding on the runway.
American 3023, roger. American 3023, you got a lot of smoke. American 3023, there was some flames. Looks like the smoke's kind of dying down a bit. And you are actually on fire. American 3023, I do see an active flame. It's smaller than it was. American 3023, the fire trucks are leaving the station now. They should be there in about 1 minute.
Thank you, trucks on the way.
Good fire on the left side.
Ops 11, roger. You can talk to the aircraft on this frequency.
Okay, roger.
Is it going to be a while for this box line with what's going on? Yeah, and 3-4 right is currently closed. 3-4 right and left are currently closed, and once we figure out what's going on with the American, then we'll just go ahead and either taxi you to a different runway or this one.
American 3023, I am still seeing fire.
Okay, everybody on Foxtrot, that's Frontier 3600, United 501, Southwest 2557, Southwest 2840, American 2943, Skywest 704 Zulu. Pull up the numbers for runway 25, that's going to be your new departure runway. However, we need to get these aircraft that are number 1 at 3-4 left in front of you first, and then we'll start sequencing you in line.